Hi, my friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our reading class. The story name is The Baby Bird. It is a windy day in the forest. Azza and Muna are with their mom and dad. They all have nets because they are cleaning up all the rubbish in the forest. Get the rubbish and put it in your nets. Start work, Dad. Your net is the biggest net. The girls work hard, but it is very windy. They get some rubbish and they put it in their nets. Then they see some birds in a tree. Look, Azza, that bird is smaller than the other birds. It's a baby bird, Muna, and it's very high. The tall trees move in the wind, and the baby bird is in the tallest tree. Oh no, Muna! Look at the baby bird. It can't fly. Azza watches the baby bird and she is worried. Don't worry, Azza. I can catch the baby bird in my net. Well done, Muna. Dear friends, wish you good times. Goodbye.